How to switch accounts on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to switch accounts on TikTok from one to another, what you're going to do is first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device. After that, in the bottom right corner of your screen, you can see your profile. Click on it. Then, after you're here in your profile page, go to the top right corner of your screen where there are three bars. Then go to settings and privacy. After you're over here, scroll to the bottom of the page. Then in the login option, you can see two options that are switch account and log out. Go to switch account, then you can see the other account. Click on the account you want to switch. Then there you go. You have switched from one account to other account. So this is how you can switch accounts on TikTok. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope you liked it and see you in the next video.